Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Xbox account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in xbox.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Xbox login on the Google itself. And on the first page you can see the xbox.com's official website, and on the second you can see the support to Xbox. Let's click on the first, and after clicking over here, basically we will be taken to the same website of Xbox. You can see it's also the Xbox. Now to log into your Xbox account from your home page or the both page, you can see the sign in button over here on the top right corner of your screen, available on the both sides or the both pages we have open. Now let's close one of these and let's click on the sign in option. And now to log into your Xbox account, you must enter your email over here like this. I have already opened the email, or my computer has automatically filled in for me. And let's click on next. You can also create it from over here if you click on the create one. Now after that, I will be required to enter, or you will be required to enter your password. I've already entered the password, and let's sign in. If you forgot your password, just simply click on the forgot password option available over here to retrieve your password. You'll be taken to a certain procedure to retrieve your password. Now let's sign in, and yes. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our Xbox account. Let's accept these terms and conditions. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.